on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel to everyone new to subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Right now I got a whole bunch of goodies going in the car, so I'll get back to the video as soon as I get there. I am going to Commerce new shop, so I'm pretty excited. First time I'm going there. Finally, the BBKs are going on the Z. Oh man, I am excited. And yeah, believe it or not, the Z is clean. Took it to go get a wash just yesterday, so it's squeaky clean. Well, somewhat. I took it on a long drive as soon as it was clean, but way cleaner now, 5 months later. And here's the shop. Way bigger upgrade. The world's biggest slacker right there. My boy Alex just picked me up. Shit. Should we give him a clip of the tune or what? Some pops? On the freeway, not right here. There's so many feds out here.
How does it feel to be in an auto tour?
Terrible. No excitement. Got a whole wall right here. Some few pops in.
Ready?
On today's episode of Will It Scrape or Not Scrape? It didn't scrape. Wait, we have to go that way. Alright, you guys, it's another day. Good morning. How's everybody? So, it's time to go pick up the Z. Can't wait to show you guys. I don't even know how it looks like yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna look fire. Can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, I know this video is like all over the place and stuff. But it's kind of like a last minute prep stuff for NISFest. So for you guys in SoCal, get ready. I'll be down there. Hopefully I see a whole bunch of you guys down there, and I already have some buddies I'm gonna see down there, but it's gonna be a fun time. I'll definitely vlog the whole trip, so hopefully you guys are excited for that. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be 4 of us driving down there, so it's gonna be pretty cool. I wonder what that'll look like, all of us just cruising down there for hours and hours. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be braking nice over the freeway, breaking all those necks, gonna slow down traffic and stuff. But anyways, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get the car. All right, here she is. Oh my god, dude, she's looking good. Sorry about the wind background. For whatever reason, as soon as I start recording, a whole bunch of wind came through. But anyways, for the OG people, the people that have been subscribed, they know what color the calipers are. But for you new guys, this is a new surprise for you guys. I also want to say thank you guys. We're 180 subscribers. We're 10 away from 200. Make sure you tell your friends and everybody about the channel. Try to get to 200. It's exciting. Enough of me talking. Time to show you guys how it looks. Damn. She's looking good. Look at that. I had to go yellow, man. I love yellow calipers. It changes up the look a lot. Holy shit. Definitely something I needed. Can't wait to get some shots to post on Instagram with the BBKs on, because damn. Especially with these wheels, when you have exposed wheels, you definitely want to have BBKs on. But when it comes to like multi-spoke wheels, it doesn't really matter because most of your shit's covered. But especially for these Nismos, you gotta be rocking some BBKs. Finally put these on. Got these for Christmas by my boy Adrian. Shout out to my boy Adrian, thank you. And the windshield wiper delete. It's a little mod, but it changes up the look a lot. It looks a lot cleaner. Those windshield wipers are ugly. But yeah, all I need to do now is get an alignment, and I'm SoCal ready. This baby's ready for a nice little drive. I haven't been out to SoCal with this car since 2018, since it was the only car we had at the time. We had to take the Z over there, and honestly, I should have been more careful. I didn't know that much about the Z's, and I was driving it out there and not double checking the oil, so I was risking it, but shit, everything went well. Well guys, it's gonna wrap it up for this video. I know it's a little short, I'm sorry, but you know, had to update you guys on the Z, especially with the BBKs on. I've been holding on to those things since April. I've been having them since April, and they've just been sitting in the garage this whole time, so man, I'm just so happy to finally have them on. I wanted to record more of the shop, but right now it's like a little cluttered, not in a dirty way, but like a whole bunch of like cars are in there and a whole bunch of like car parts. Like, yeah, Carmine's is pretty busy right now, so hopefully you guys did enjoy the little bit of the new shop that I showed. Definitely hit him up at 38 Car Mods. I'll put the Instagram right here. Hit him up, especially if you're in the Bay Area. He'll hook you up, he'll set you straight, he'll put all the modifications you need in your car. He knows what he's doing. Don't be scared that it's just VQs, because a lot of the people that go there are VQs, but he works on every car. I've seen Mustangs, I've seen Hondas, any car. Just don't be shy, hit him up and he'll most likely help you out. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.